Yes, good morning, class 4. Class 4, good morning. I think I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay, as usual, my first request kindly switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Tanveer, switch off your front camera. Yes, as we were doing the revision of jugs and mugs, isn't it? We were doing some extra questions related to jugs and mugs. So we will continue with the same, and today we will do some addition and some problem of subtraction and some problem sums. Okay. So quickly take out your copy and start writing in the copy. I will give you some questions in the board. You will note it down, and then from your side the answer you will tell to me. Is it clear, class 4? Okay. So write today's date in your copy and give the heading extra question. Question number 1. Add 42 liters, 440 milliliters, comma 9 liters and 420 milliliters. Okay, this this one is given, you have to add it. This one is given, you have to add. Quickly add and tell me what the answer will be. First you will arrange in first first arrange in columns. First arrange in columns. It is 42 and 440, 9 and 420. Now add. Listen, I have told you the answer you will write in the chat box, not verbally you will say. Write the answer in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box quickly. So 0, 4 plus 2, 6 and 4 plus 4, 8. 860, isn't it? It is for milliliters. Now for liters. 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. That means 51 liters and 860 milliliters. Isn't it? 51 liters and 860 milliliters. This is the answer I think you all are getting. Okay, now write number B. Now write number B. 96 liters, 720 milliliters and 52 liters, 650 milliliters. Quickly add and tell me the answer. 96 liters, 720 milliliters, 52 liters, 650 milliliters. After addition, what will be the answer? After addition, what will be the answer? Yes, what will be the answer? Write the answer in the chat box. Soham has given the first answer. Next is Deboshmi. Okay, this will be 0, 5 plus 2, 7, and 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8, and 9. And 9 plus 5 is how much? Exactly, it is 14. So our answer is 149 liters and 370 milliliters. 149 liters and 370 milliliters. Okay. Now write number C. Number C, these addition and subtraction, it is very easy for you, isn't it, class 4? This is already given in columns, just you add. 35 liters, 986 milliliters, 32 liters and 408 milliliters. Add and tell me the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Nilshri, this we are doing from some other books, okay? So there is no page number. I have taken the book from the library and I am doing the extra questions for you so that you can practice it. So related to this, any type of question comes, you can able to practice it, okay? Just for this reason. Very good, you all are giving the correct answer. So it will be 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9, isn't it? Then 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So our answer is 68 liters and 394 milliliters, isn't it? Now write some subtraction. Subtraction. Question number 2, subtraction. Subtract. "68 liters 40 milliliters from 70 liter and 120 milliliter. Arrange in column and then subtract. Liter, milliliter. Obviously the number which is given after from, that will be the bigger number. So 70 liter and 120 milliliter minus 68 liter and 40 milliliter. Orgopriyo Ghosh, mute yourself. Orgopriyo Ghosh, mute yourself. Orgopriyo Ghosh, mute yourself. If you are not able to do, tell to your parents to mute you. Yes, since here nothing is there, so you will add 1 0. So 0, then 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And here it will be 0 minus 0, 0. And this side 2. So 2 liters and 80 milliliters. The answer is 2 liters and 80 milliliters. Now write number B. Number B. 19 liter 750 milliliter from 63 liter 450 milliliter. Liter, milliliter. 63 450 and 19 750. Subtract and tell me the answer. Subtract and tell me the answer. Orgopriyo Ghosh, kindly mute yourself. You have got the answer. 43 liters and 700 milliliters. Maximum of you are writing. Is it so? Let us see. 0, 5 minus 5, 0. And 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. This side 3. 4. That means 43 liters and 700 milliliter is the answer. Isn't it? 43 liters and 700 milliliter is the answer. All have got this answer? Now write number C. Liter, milliliter. 46 liters, 350 milliliters and 18 liters, 210 milliliters. Now subtract this one. Subtract it and tell me the answer. Subtract and tell me the answer. Exactly. Yes, I want the answers from everyone, not this, only this three or four students will give. Everyone answer it quickly. Quickly write the answer. This is very easy, isn't it? 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. Then 3 minus 2, 1. That means for milliliters it is 140. And for liters it will be 8. As we will take this 6 as 16. So 16 minus 8, 8. And this will be 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 28 liters and 140 milliliters. 28 liters and 140 milliliter is the answer. I think this addition and subtraction, it is very easy to you. Okay. So you practice it from some other books also if you get the books. Clear? Now write some word problems. Number 1. Can I rub the board? Everyone has completed? Everyone has completed. I am rubbing the board. Orgoprio, please. This is my request. Switch off or mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. If you are not able to do, tell to your parents to mute it. Right, question number 1. Anju bought 3 liters 420 milliliters milk, and Manjusha bought Manjusha bought 10 liters 650 milliliters milk. How much milk did they buy? Did they buy together? See this, the question you will write in your copy, okay? The question you will write in your copy. The question you write in your copy. Exactly, it will be addition. Soham, you are correct. But the sentence you have to frame of your own. The sentence you will frame of your own. So I am given the question, you write the solution. Write the solution. So what you will write? Yes. Very good, Noyanika. It will be quantity of milk bought by Anju. Quantity of milk bought by Anju is equals to 3 liters and 420 milliliters. Now, quantity of milk bought by Manjusha is equals to 10 liters and 650 milliliters. Isn't it? Therefore, total quantity of milk, total quantity of milk quickly add and tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Yes, Shaurya, you have to write the question because these questions are from some other books. Okay. If you are writing only the statement, then how could you understand what was the question? So you have to write the question. Exactly. The answer you all are writing correct. 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. That means for milliliters we are getting 70. So how you are getting 80? It is 70. Devoshmiya has also written 80. It will be 70. All are writing 80. Why it is 80? It will be 70. 14 liters and 70 milliliters. Yes, but you can't write they. You have to mention the names. So you will mention Anju and Manjusha. Anju and Manjusha together bought. Anju and Manjusha together bought 14 liter and 70 milliliter of milk. Anju and Manjusha together bought 14 liter and 70 milliliter of milk. Now you write the second question. Can I rub the board? Everyone has completed? Okay, write the second question. I am rubbing the board. The second question. Question number 2. Ramu filled 75 liter and 960 milliliter diesel in his bus. He used 52 liters and 480 milliliters diesel. How much diesel? How much diesel is still in his bus? This question is homework to you. This question is homework to you. You will write all the statement and the solution, and this we will discuss in our next class. Okay, try to do this. Try to do this question in your copy, and we will discuss in our next class. And Neil Shri, this snapshot taking is not allowed in our school. Okay, so kindly don't do these things. It will be uploaded in the YouTube. You can clear your doubts from the YouTube. So don't take the snapshots. Okay, students, today up to this only. Bye all of you, and whatever we have done today, you once more you practice it.